Hello, what's going on, guys? We hope you had an amazing week. We hope you had a profitable week too. Let's check what we did this week. Let's check our performance and see how it went. Uh, let's keep in mind that Monday basically was still holiday, so the market moved very slow on Monday, and that has been the current behavior on forex market mostly. So this is what happened. Let's take a look. We'll check our supply and demand trading ideas first. We shared two ideas. They both paid a little bit more than 1-1. The first one was a buy signal on euro pound. This was the first one. If you can see, and let me explain that to you. The first well, to begin with, this is a 4 hour. All right, this is a 4 hour order block. We've been talking about this pair. We've been talking about this setup, um, and the reason why is we were having a bearish order flow, and this 4 hour supply level was responsible of breaking and removing an opposing zone in the 4 hour time frame. So this is kind of a swap zone. Some other traders call this breaker block. So it was basically a swap zone. Previous demand turns new supply levels. Uh, so in the 5 minute time frame, in the 5 minute time frame, we had here this equal highs, and we were waiting for the price to grab liquidity above the equal highs, and then change the structure, change or seeing at least sellers stepping into the market. And that's exactly what happened here, because if you see the 5 minute time frame, we have a demand level here in the 5 minute that was removed, and then price reverse. So here is where we place our entry. If you see, the entry was placed here in the proximal line of the 4 hour order block. Why? Because most of the time we are left behind in our trades. Because if we try to catch the sniper entry, if you try to catch, I'm sorry, the sniper entry, we most likely are going to be left behind. So I didn't want to miss the opportunity, so I placed the entry here. But we explain the whole situation. We explain the whole setup in our daily analysis that we sent in our Discord. So basically, the price fill our entry, tap our zone, and then it started to drop. It paid a little bit more than 1-1. It was approximately 1-2-1-3, and then the price reversed during a fundamental that you see here. It reversed, and it ended up removing the whole zone. So we recommended to take profit when price was around this area. We recommended to take profit around this area, because this movement uh, it was going to create some volatility in the market, and we just didn't want to we didn't want to left or leave anything on the table. We wanted to get some profits, and it's always good to pay yourself. So this is the first trade. Then we sent another one on Kiwi dollar. Oh, what happened? Why? Well, here we have. I'll show you the chart. Here we had another entry. This was able to hit our TP1, and our TP1 was close to the 1-2 risk reward ratio. We had a 40 pips profit on this trade. It was a buy signal, a buy entry, and this was the entry. Let me show you on the chart. I don't know why I cannot see it here, but let me show you on the chart. So this was the entry on Kiwi dollar. Basically, this supply level here. So basically, we bought this demand area, which was a 1 hour, I guess, 1 hour, yeah, 1 hour demand level, and the market hit our TP1. Our TP2 was this high. All right, that was the final take profit. We were basically watching how price was changing the structure, changing the order flow, and this level was removed. And this was an important level. This was an important level because this is the level that created a strong supply area. This was a level who created this impulse, but this level got removed by this demand area. And those levels, those areas that remove opposing zones are more important. So the price made the retracement. This was around the rollover session. After the rollover session, price dropped like this, filling our order. Then market started to move in our way. We protect our entry, and it hit our take profit one, which was this one. So we paid almost 40 pips, 1.7 risk reward ratio, 1.7 risk reward ratio, and those were the trades we share this week using supply and demand strategy. Let's check what we did with the smart money trading ideas. Our smart money trader did pretty good this week. He sent this signal on Aussie dollar. It was a sell signal, and all targets meet. Trade closed. TP1, TP2. It was a very nice trade. I'll show you how it went. Basically, he was waiting for the price to fill this small imbalance around this area, and that's exactly where the price went right from the week. Let me show you the chart. As you can see, this is the order block. This is the order block he took for this entry, and it smashed our take profit. It went straight to our take profit, and we love this type of trades when price goes our way very fast. We love this type of trade. So that was the first trade. There were also important trades shared in our Discord. For instance, this pound Swiss franc. It was a buy signal in the 15-minute time frame, as you can see here, and it also smashed our take profit very fast. As you can see, this wick took our take profit. There was also another trade in supply and demand. I'll show you that one right now. Supply and demand. It was on Bitcoin. We were monitoring this area, as you can see. We were monitoring this level of supply, and we were trying to get a sell from this area, but in the 5-minute time frame we didn't have a confirmation. Market just hit our zone and dropped from there without giving confirmation, so we were left behind on this one. As you can see here, we have a break in the structure, but market still dropped, did not retrace from there, just drop, and it will continue dropping. So at the moment, those were the trades. Those were part of the trades that we shared this week, setups. Um, if you are interested, once again, if you're interested in being part of our community, you can contact us on Instagram, and if you have questions, we will be able to answer them. Also, at the moment, our crypto portfolio is still, we haven't shared anything on our crypto portfolio because there is no update yet. Once again, the market has been moving very slow, has been moving uh, just like that, like consolidations everywhere, compressions everywhere. So there is no update. But as soon as we got an update, we will let you know how we're doing in our crypto portfolio, which is currently in profit too. So this was a profitable week, slow but profitable week, which is the most important part. And that's what we're trying to do, help you guys to become profitable too. Have a nice day, guys, and we'll see you next week. Bye bye.